Hi, today I want to show you how to identify duplicates in Monday.com boards. So first head over to Monday.com and log in with your account. Now, it's crucial to identify duplicates as they confuse your Monday boards and they make too many errors and they will make your project not synced and with many bugs. So, we need to fix this. So, click on the product switcher here, the 9 dots on the top. Click on Marketplace. Now, here on the search bar, type in Duplicates and Uniques. You will find this app. Just install the app, and you will be good to go. So click on All Workspaces and hit Install. So this app will identify the duplicates and uniques in all your Monday workspaces. And click on Add App. And you should be really good to go here. So let's get back to first. So select Data Source. First type in the name of my project and select the groups to do, for example, and click on Next fields at the name on the search and click on Next. Now select this option at the third step, for example, All Duplicates. Gonna remove all the duplicates and click on Next. And here, just choose where you found the results. So, select Existing column, for example, Status. You're gonna replace the status with a new example column. And when you're done here, you're gonna click on Delete. And here, type in the blue on the green button Complete here. And you successfully removed the duplicates and uniques in our project here. Well, that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.